Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this garden hose. This is an expandable hose up to 100 feet. It has got a 10 function spray nozzle. This is flexible so you don't have to worry about it hanging around. Alright, so right here we've got our flexible hose. This is up to 100 feet. It is crafted with a 3/4 inch solid brass fitting, 3750D extra stained fabric. So they do offer this hose in 100 feet as well as 50 feet. I like the fact that it does have a bag that comes with it. It also has a hanging bracket and it has 3 washers as extra. You also get the plumber's tape and you do have a nozzle, so this does come with a nozzle. This one does have 10 functions. Spray nozzle, you've got spray, so you have many different functions. So I'm just going to pull this out. So here is the nozzle. You do have flat spray, you've got shower, you've got 1-2 vert, center, full, flat, shower, cone, jet, soaker, angle, mist, and then you've got the 1/2 vert. So this is a really nice hose. It is a flexible hose that it can expand up to 100 feet with seconds after turning it on. It is very nice and don't have to worry about bending or breaking. You can set the hose flat on the ground and keep it clear nozzle when closing the water supply to maintain its high elasticity. And it is also leak-proof assurance. You can bid farewell to leaks in the pipe burst with this heavy-duty hose. It is fortified with a double-layer Lortex core to solid brass fitting capable of withstanding the pressure of up to 12 bar. It is a hose guaranteed durability and safety eliminated worries of leaks, tears, and cracks. So you can see when it's completely full, you can stretch it out. So these are really nice brass fittings. It is crafted with innovative materials. The expandable garden hose features a high density natural rubber, which polyester inner layer for enhanced elasticity and resistance of deformation. It is also outer layer made of absorption resistance nanomaterial, ensures easy cleaning and quick dyeing while preventing damage and leakage. It is designed effectively prevents dirt and sand from entering the inner tube, which enhances the lifespan of your hose. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this up and then I'm going to use this spray nozzle so you can see the many different settings. Alright, so right here we have it all expanded out to the 100 feet. We already have the sprayer attached. It has 10 different settings. Right here I'm just using flat, but all you have to do is turn the knob at the very top to switch the styles. So if you're looking for a hose with a sprayer, I'd highly recommend checking this one out.